In the third question, it is given that the floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meters. If the cost of painting the four walls at a rate of rupees 10 per square meters is rupees 15,000, then we have to find the height of the hall. And one hint is also given that the area of the four walls is nothing but the lateral surface area. So they have given that the floor is rectangular in shape because it is a cuboidal room, that it means floor will be rectangular and its perimeter is 250 meters. So let the length be L and breadth be B. It means and height be H. Height we have to find. It means the perimeter of the rectangular floor is 250 meters. It means we know that the perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. So this is given 250 meters. We can divide both sides by 2. We will get L plus B is equal to 125. So from here we get an equation. This is equation 1. Now next thing they have given is the cost of painting the four walls at a rate of rupees 10 per square meter is rupees 15,000. That is, only the four walls are painted. So let's first find the area of the four walls. To find the area of the four walls, what we will do? We will find the total area of the cuboid, and from that we will subtract the area of the ceiling, that is top, and we will subtract the area of the bottom, that is floor. So it means total area of the cuboid will be, we know that area of cuboid is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length, and then area of top, that is ceiling, it will be length into breadth, and then area of bottom, that is floor, again it will be length into breadth. So this comes out to be 2. We can simplify, 2 gets multiplied with each term, so 2 into LB plus 2 into BH plus 2 into HL, and minus LB will become minus 2LB. So you can see 2LB and minus 2LB gets cancelled, so we'll get, and also you can see that 2 and H are common in both the terms, so we can factor out 2H, and this will leave us with B plus L, or we can also write it as 2H into L plus B. Now if you see carefully, we already have the value of L plus B in the equation 1. So from equation 1 we can substitute the value of L plus B here. So we will get 2 into H into 125, and this when simplified equals to 250 H, and as this is area of the four walls, the unit will be square meters, as all the dimensions are in meters. So this becomes the area of the four walls in terms of height, that is H. The next thing they have given, that is cost of painting. So cost of painting 1 meter square or square meter is rupees 10. It means the cost of painting the four walls is, so if we need to find the cost of painting the four walls in terms of H, what we will do? The cost of painting the four walls will be equal to, that is cost of painting 1 square meter rupees 10 gets multiplied with the total area of the four walls, that is 250H. So multiplied by 250H, this becomes equal to 2500H. So this is the cost of painting the four walls in terms of H. But the cost of painting the four walls is already given, that is 15,000. It means 2500H should be equal to 15,000. To find H, we will divide both sides by 2500, 2500. So 15,000 divided by 2500, and this gives height is equal to 6 meters. So this becomes our final answer. The height is 6 meters.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.